Hey, so this is my P&L. I made a new for KINFO. As you can see, all these are my daily gains so far. So yeah, just going through. So far, the September small cap challenge has been well, and as you can see, it's up 170 plus, and it's because of last Friday. So I actually record this on Saturday, so I don't have today's 153 yet, but this you can see is a big red day. That was probably the only biggest red day, and I did miss some trading days. This is the second, just a tiny day, and this is the biggest one so far. Hey guys, Noise here with another daily recap. So still not quite used to be saying noise. I'm not sure if the past few daily recaps I'm saying NIC subconsciously. So yeah, today I'm up 153, probably the biggest green day. I mean, it is the biggest green day so far. So previously last week I was thinking 30 bucks, then I had a $40 day. So I was thinking that's the biggest. Then last Friday I had like 100, and today is 153. So seems like the market is heating up, but the follow through is still not there. As in, there's a lot of power, a lot of volatility, but there's no follow through, and I'll explain why. So today I'm 153, which would be a 1005 day if it's my usual share size. But for this September small count challenge, I'm trading 10 times smaller size to brush up my fundamentals again. And it seems like it's paying off. Last month, my red days are at 1000 average, and my green days are only like 2 to 300 average. So this month I decided to take 10 times smaller shares to brush up my fundamentals and not focus on the P&L, to get rid of the fear and to build my confidence back up again. And this is what happens. I have a 30, 40, 100, and now 153 days, 153 bucks green day, which is equivalent to 1005. So I'll go through the trades and let you know, but it's not fully just today's day trade. I have some runners from last week that I left. So ZRVO was today's leading gapper. However, when I look at it, it's already pretty damn overextended. They now want to chase it, so he didn't touch this. EDSA was my biggest winner today. Had some news, then I added here, and basically just sold the first pop, then like consolidate, sold the second pop. As you can see, it's like A, B, C, D. So after selling the second pop, shortly it went out for a third pop. I'm just left with a small portion, so I wanted to let it run to see if we can hit up 10 into the open, which it did went up to 10, but did not hold. Like I said, this period of time there's a lot of volume, a lot of power, but the follow through is not there yet. As you can see, this is what happened. So it hit 10 and basically just fits down. I got stop out here. This is what I learned from HLBZ, to just sell green whenever I can. Like, do not hold it too much in after that. How do I put it? Just not to hold on to them, even though I have a, because same thing for HLBZ, I have a nice entry price. Then I basically let it came back down, which is HLBZ. I'll go through it, but this is what I learned from EDSA. So I got out here, and thankfully this is what happened. I could be selling here, but nope, I sold it here. Pretty good move. ARQQ, same thing. I got, this was from last week. I had 16.6, yeah, average price. So I sold this at 20. Since this is a SPAC period, I believe, so a lot of specs are going crazy. ARQQ HLBZ, I think are recent specs. So yeah, I got stop out here. This is my manual stop loss. I set at 1789. Then I got stop out here. Bam. Then it went up. But I'm quite a bit same thing like what I mentioned. I mean, this is a first world problem to just get green. Like, you might be thinking, man, I could be selling it at 18 or 19 or whatever, 20, but yeah, green day is a green day. I would rather much sell it for $2 profit than, I don't know, if it came down to 17 again, that's a dollar profit. So yeah, I already sold most of them for 4 point here for last Friday. So all these are remainders and didn't have momentum running yet. Got stop out, and I'm quite bit. HLBZ is the lesson. As you can see, I had an average of 7 972. So I rode it all the way. However, I'm still most of it at 15. Did not expect it to go under 15. I'm 25. I still have a small amount of shares, but yeah, I did not sell at 25, and it came back to around 24 again. Did not sell it. Then all the way it came down all the way, and today I got stop out at 1480. So unfortunately, this is how it is, and that's why after HLBZ I'm thinking I'll just sell it here. It's safer to take green. I mean, there's always the greed FOMO factor that hey, if I sell now it could be going up more, but I should just stick to the fundamentals, and that's my stop loss, and I sell it and don't think about it. Same thing for EDSA, because this could be what happened. So great lesson, and I probably would have traded different last month, but because I'm trying to brush up my fundamentals again, so thanks to HLBZ, I managed to, I mean, this is a L. I could have sold at 25, but that's hindsight. But because of this, I learned to sell ARQQ and EDSA. Other than that, INM, I think my stop loss was 198. So I did hear IBKR saying I got stop out, so I probably got out at 198. Probably got out here. That's why I'll reflect on my. I was up 153, but this probably took a big loss because I got in quite big. I think it has some news. Then I added here. However, it popped up too quickly before I could sell and fade. So I decided to, yeah, since it's holding 2, I decided to hold it in the open. Then my stop loss was 198. So probably took a big L today. So what was supposedly a 153 biggest green day, this could just hurt it. Hopefully I'm still in the 3 digits, which is like, that would be great. However, if not, it's okay. VRPX had news, short float, so I added here at the $6 from the 5-minute candle. BAM did not cross anything, so I'm still holding it. However, take stop loss on this. I'll probably buy for, I don't know, see how it is, maybe 5. I will just leave a stop loss here to let it run. EZFL, same thing. I feel it got oversold, so seems like go on. I added $4.10 at the 5-minute candle. Sorry if I'm speaking too fast for this recap, because actually I did another recap, but I realized I did not record the screen at all. So yeah, unfortunate. That's why I'm rushing to do it over again. And yeah, I guess I should slow down so you guys can at least hear it properly. But if you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment. I promise you I'll reply it. CRSM was a previous trade into swing. So it did hit 104. Just gonna let it ride. Swings. Rest of my swings aren't doing too well, as you can see. It's all red. But yeah, that's just how the market is. I also had some crypto and it's pretty red. So that's just how the market is. Just let it hit back up and just focus on your fundamentals and your stop losses. You'll be okay. Take your mind off it. So yeah, supposedly during the first record I was up 153, and then I think INM make me down. I'm probably only up 100, but it's still good. It's still good. It'll be like $1,000 green day last month, my usual share size. So it's good. It's good. And speaking of which, actually my TDA account got activated, so I'm considering maybe switching from moomoo to TDA just for the charts. So I mean, it's more familiar for you guys since there are more retail traders using TDA than moomoo. So maybe that will be easier for you guys, more familiar, and maybe I could do some layout, and if you guys want I can share it. So apart from that, I'll probably be doing another chart comparison between, since I'm based in Singapore, so the 4 best we have is IBKR, TDA, moomoo and Tiger. So next video upcoming video I'll probably be doing one to compare the charting with these four, and also since the last one I do didn't have TDA, and then also one on their spread to see which has the best spread, or are they all the same. So yeah, there's some upcoming video ideas, and other than that, since I'll be needing to put in some money into TDA so they can turn on the real-time data for me, then maybe since after this September small account challenge, see how it is. If it's really good, I could maybe consider using October to be a TDA $500 challenge, something like that, and then to just try to go for realistic gains daily. I'm not talking about like trading with 500 and then using margin like 6 times, 3 times. Those are unrealistic. So I'll be using and treating like I only have $500 in the account. So each day I'll be looking to gain like $5, and good days $10. So to trade it as realistically as possible. So maybe you newer retail traders can relate to it better than if let's say I trade 500 but I'm using margin to buy 6,000 or whatever. I mean 3,000 to 3,000 share size. So those are unrealistic. So yeah, I might end it here. Was up 153 before on the first recap, but now probably up 100 after INM. However, green day is still a green day, and it's a really great green day, I would say. $100. So ending it here, and I'll probably post the rest of stuff that I forgot to say or left out in the comments or the information section. So yeah, as usual, stay safe, trade safe, peace.